So we are going to take a quick dive into different pairs and show you guys our bias based on wave analysis concepts and other confirmations. All right, so we are starting with gold. So what do we have on gold? So first thing we have this impulse correction. So we're expecting once this impulse is completed, one more push up. All right, so that's what we're expecting on gold. So so on the 1 hour, guys, on gold 1 hour, so what we have here is this impulse down, then this corrective move. Okay, so actually this is a complete structure, but because of the way the market is starting out here, and probably there might be a drop before the market keep pushing high. Okay, so because if you look at this wave here, it's kind of sluggish, and we're expecting to see a complete structure. So what we are waiting for on gold is for the market to drop before it keep pushing high, giving us a clear structure of what we can see here. Like this will be a expanding flats. So if it gives out this, that will be very, very beautiful for us to take this buy. But for now, today we are scalping. We've taken a quick sell, and if the market gives us more opportunity, we might scalp more. But this will be the bias for the week. All right, so that is on gold pair. So on BTC, actually we have been enjoying this move ever since yesterday. So we are scalping, and also we have a position running. So here now, BTC has actually given us a more complex structure that most times can be confusing, because if you take a look on what the market has done in the past, you see the market has actually given us a 3-wave move down, which is a complete structure, guys. Okay, so we saw this happening, and then we know at any moment from now there might be a market to break out. So but we need to watch out for some key zones, key levels. So the first key levels to watch out for is here, which is 95,151. Okay, so because that's the first impulse. So because this is exactly what the market has done, we have seen this impulse correction impulse, which is a wave, and also we have this 3-wave move here. So this is actually another wave, which is a complex one, but we have seen this to be like a B wave. So then we are having this 3-wave move, which is the C wave. Okay, so this is what we have, what we're expecting on what has happened actually on Bitcoin. So but at this moment now, we have seen that this still is completed. What the market will be giving us here will be like a beginning of a new structure, a new wave. So that's what we are watching out for. Let the market complete what it's gonna do here before it keep pushing high. But another thing that might happen is whereby this market can sluggishly come up here and drop, okay, before it goes high. All right, so there are different ways this can happen, but along the line we are just waiting for the next wave. Like yesterday, you can see we have this impulse here, having this impulse. So this corresponds to be one of a structure. We have this down wave, we have this down wave. Okay, so that gives us another bigger structure. Then we have this impulse, and which we're expecting this to happen. So this is just the fluctuating nature of the market, and that's what makes this concept, wave analysis, a unique one. Because once you understand this kind of move, you'll stop reacting. You just focus on, once you identify an impulse, you look for a corrective move, and after which you trade the next impulse. So actually this move now is completed here. At the break of this place is completed. So what next we'll be expecting, I would likely want to expect the market to drop like this. Okay, targeting this low. From here we'll now have this aggressive move, bullish. So this is my bias on Bitcoin, guys. All right, so where the market comes up here, drop one more aggressively, and everybody will think it's dropping, and from there it pushes high, whereby it might decide to like tag this low. So let's watch out for this horizontal line, guys, because definitely something will happen at this point. Okay, so that is just what we have. So at this point, it will be risky to buy because definitely there will be a sell that will be coming. All right, probably by tomorrow or next, the sell must have happened. Then we'll position ourselves for the buy. The pound housing. Okay, so this was a beautiful one. We entered this trade early last week, and it was a very beautiful swing, which gave us like a lot of profits. 1:12, which is beautiful, guys. So here now we are still expecting one more push high, before the market can correct himself. So that is on the pound odds. Nothing much here, but if the market decides to drop, that means it might be dropping. But we've not seen a confirmation for a drop. Instead, we are still seeing the market is very bullish. So we are still expecting the market to give us one more push high like this before the market drops. Okay, so that's just it. Then on the pound yen, yeah, this is a very beautiful one. The market is very, very bullish. We saw it yesterday. If you are yet to position yourself, just wait for any pullback and join the trend, because this move definitely is going to break this high. It's going to break this high. So we're expecting a pullback, one more, a pullback. So this is our bias for the pound yen. So if you take a look also on the dollar yen, well, dollar yen also is not as aggressive as pound yen, but most of these pairs are correlated. So, but we are still expecting three-wave here and there. So this is our bias for the week, whereby the market give us a three-wave move corrective here. Then you join this move. All right. So in case you don't position yourself, watch out for this. Then the almighty pawn is very bullish, and this is what we have positioned ourselves for. We are just riding the wave, and this wave is expected to get to 1.30566. Okay, so this is what we are seeing at the moment, and we have actually marked it. I remember this. Most of these pairs, I only scalp gold and BTC. So all these other pairs is swing. I just swing them. Just enter the trade, forget about it. After like 1 week, you check it out. Like what happened here. That was a beautiful one. We saw this market here, and at this point, we saw a lot of reasons to position ourselves, and boom, we enjoy this move. So the same thing we expected here too. Like this market is going to push high like this. So find a way to position yourself at this point. On the Euro USD, guys, so also is very bullish, and these are the pairs we are swinging for the week. So our bias for this pair is also to continue pushing high. Okay, so we are just swinging them for this week. That means we are positioning ourselves today, and we will not look at the trade until the market break this high, which might take like 2 to 3 days. NZD USD. Okay, so here also we are seeing a bullish pattern. Okay, whereby the market continue pushing high, because we can see this is a wave impulse correction. Okay, so this is a complete structure. So we're expecting the market to keep pushing high. Yeah, CAD yen. On the CAD yen, guys, we're expecting the market to give us one more push before it can correct himself. Okay, so we're expecting this one more push before it corrects himself. Yeah, this is a variable one. This is the Audi Swiss. This one, we have seen this market complete the structure, impulse, correction, impulse. All right, so here we're expecting the market to keep pushing high. So this is what we are expecting this move to happen. All right, so check out a structure that you recognize, an entry pattern that you recognize at this point. It might be a candlestick pattern or fair value gap or other blocks that is valid, and ride the waves. Okay, so that's just the few we have on the Forex. So if you take a look on some of the crypto, this is a SRP. Yeah, SRP is very bullish, and we expect the market to keep pushing high, push high to break this before next decision can be made. Okay, so this is impulse correction, impulse correction, impulse. So we're expecting this before we have this to keep pushing high. All right, so that's just what we can see at the moment. Whereby if I remove this so it can make more sense to you, you begin to see the power of the wave. So here now, take a look at it this way. Most times if the markets want to like break out, this is how to move: impulse correction, impulse correction, impulse. Breaking this high, it drop, and from here it pushes high. And because it has given all this first corrective move down, this will be an impulse correction, boom, to the moon. So this is what we're expecting, guys, on the SRP, which I believe is going to play out very soon. So let's watch and see. Also on the department of Doge, the big Doge. So Doge also, most of them, they move together, especially at this time. So that's why our major focus is on BTC, because whatever happens on BTC now definitely will affect the rest of the crypto, especially whereby the market is not that very bullish. So here we are expecting the market to break this high. As break of this high, it's going to drop to this point. From there, it can push high again. So watch out for this kind of expanding. Yeah, the CRV. CRV is also bullish, and we're expecting this move to keep pushing until it breaks this high. Okay, so let it keep pushing to break this high before it can drop. So it's very bullish, just like Bitcoin. But the most important thing about all crypto pairs is this: Bitcoin is the daddy, and Bitcoin decide the moves. So if you want to trade crypto profitably, most times, especially at this time, and you're not focusing on meme coins, you just focus on BTC. Whatever BTC tells you, you can go down to other pairs to see the direction of the move. All right, guys, so this is where we're drawing the curtain for today. If you like this kind of video, please kindly subscribe to the video, like, and comment. Thank you.